Here's a business idea I have. Now in ChatGPT, if you don't know it yet, you should know it. You can actually create your GPTs, meaning not only train a discussion to do what you want, but train your own model the way you want it based on the technology of OpenAI, and make it create something for you automatically. And my idea is that I want to write content, blogs and newsletters, and out of these blogs and these newsletters to be able to create scripts for videos and to be able to create captions for my social posts and tweets and all kind of repurposing of the blog to different formats and different social media. So I was playing today with ChatGPT, and I have a quite advanced formula for content creation. Nowadays, you can actually upload something to ChatGPT and have it read it. It can search the web through Bing search engine. So you can do very, very nice, cool stuff. And what I want to achieve is create different GPTs. The first one will actually do the search of the internet to find the topics, create outlines. The second one will take the outlines and will create the content. And then the next ones will be specific for each different format. So another one specific for video creation and scripting, another one that it is specific for Facebook, for LinkedIn, for Twitter, for Instagram captions and carousels. And I want to create a technology that will be interconnected and will take you from just a simple search or a simple keyword to long form content, to short form content, to social media posts, and we'll do everything for you. I want to do it for me. This is not, I'm not pitching anything to anybody, but this for me, it is a software that will solve and make the content creation so much faster and so much more efficient, because I truly believe, this is my belief, that everything is a numbers game, and the more you do off something, the more you dominate your area. And for me, it is like, for example, I haven't seen anybody in Instagram right now, that you actually, whoever sees me in this live, that has 5 or 6 or 7,000 posts, and they are worse than somebody that has 500 posts. In most cases, especially if you do just your due diligence and you read the data and you understand what works or what doesn't, the more repetitions you do or something, the more output you have, the more input you will get, and the better you will get doing it. And we are not in an era that if you want to write 100 blogs, you need copywriters to write it for you. Yes, in some cases you need to do original research, and that makes sense. But in many, many cases, for you to serve your audience, you just need something that helps you create as much and helpful content as possible in the least amount of time, with the least amount of friction. And this is what I want to achieve for me. I'm going to develop it, and I'm starting to develop it since today, really, because I started playing with it. And I want to create this technology, connect all the pieces together, see if it works, in what kind of automation, what length of automation it will go. And then I will put my software development background to create an application, not mobile application, but a web application that will be able to go from a single keyword to producing everything automatically without you needing to do anything else. Yes, of course, if you want to proofread the blog that goes out or anything else, yes, sure, you can do that. But this is what I dream. I dream a machine that works for me to help me create and curate and repurpose content. I don't know how you find this idea. I don't know if it makes sense to anybody. Please, I would love to have some comments on this, because it's just something that got me very, very excited. If you have any ideas, any knowledge, or if you tried it and you failed, or if you've seen others trying it, or any software that exists right now and does it, I would love to listen about it. I know that there are many, many software out there that you pay them X amount of money and they create a blog for you, or you can go to ChatGPT and put the text and ask it to create a thread or captions or add emojis or, all these kind of nice things. But I haven't seen a complete solution that I will say, okay, email marketing, and then it will come up with a list of different potential topics, the outlines, the content, and the repurposing, ideation and execution of this content. I think I'm too excited and I'm talking too much and I'm talking too fast and oh my god, what's going on? And this is evening and I should actually go to rest, but my mind is racing, so I would like to spend the whole night searching about this and trying to do what I want to do. This doesn't mean I'm changing business model. I'm still providing services. I'm still providing consultation. I'm adding new products too very, very soon. But this is something that I want to create for internal use, if you like, solve my problems and help my ambitions and the way I see the world, and give it to a couple of my trusted people and clients to actually give it a run. And if they like it, I think then I might have something in my hands. Of course, somebody will probably try to do something even better than this, but I don't mind, because if I have my own recipe for success and somebody has a better one, excellent. With this in mind, I'm closing this live and I will see you tomorrow.